Welcome to today's video. If you're tired of receiving too many promotional emails from the Hotels.com app on your Android phone, this tutorial is for you. I'll walk you step by step through the process of unsubscribing from all emails directly inside the app. Let's get started and clean up your inbox. First, open the Hotels.com app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Tap on the account icon. At the bottom right corner, once inside your account, scroll and tap on Communications. Next, select Hotels.com from the available options. Scroll down until you find the section titled Manage Email Preferences. Look for the option that says Unsubscribe from All. Toggle the switch to enable Unsubscribe from all email communications. Finally, tap on Update Preferences to save the changes. You've now successfully unsubscribed from all Hotels.com emails using your Android phone. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Stay tuned for more app tips and tricks every week.